welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create the TikTok Trend 2021 recap video on Capcut. Firstly, open TikTok to find the song. Just search Recap 2021 and then press on one of the videos which has the song that you'd like. The song is a Bruno Mars song followed by the newest Adele song, Easy on Me. So just go ahead and save the video and then open Capcut. Now just add the video that you saved from TikTok, and all that you want to do is just press on the clip and press extract audio. Then just add a video, it can be any video, and make sure you delete the TikTok video that you extracted the audio from. Now just adjust the duration of the video. You want it to be in total 6.5 seconds, so I'm just duplicating the first video to make it longer and adjusting the duration so that it fits with the song. So obviously you can't hear the song, but basically you want the video to stop once Bruno Mars stops singing and Adele starts singing. I'm not adding the audio just because I don't want to get copyrighted in this tutorial video, but you get the gist. Next, just add about 50 pictures that encapsulates your 2021 onto your video and then press add. Now Capcut is loading your pictures. While we wait, don't forget to subscribe. And now all of your pictures has been added. What you want to do is just shorten the duration of each picture into 0.1 second. On Capcut, it's the lowest duration that you can pick from, so just drag the clip until Capcut stops you from shortening the video even more, and that's already 0.1 second. So just keep doing that to each of your picture, and now just add some text onto the video. I'm just going to be writing my 2021 recap, and I'm going to be picking a font. I'm going to be picking a cursive font because that is how the trend is. Then adjusting the duration of the text so that it only covers the video part of your whole video instead of the pictures. And there you have it. That is how you create the My 2021 Recap TikTok Trend video on Capcut. Here is the final product. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any of your questions in the comment section down below, and I will happily answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye!